But here's something a little bit more powerful that I can do. Now that they're in a list, I can actually iterate through them using a for loop. So I can say for OB car in LI cars, and I can say OB car dot start car. And now I could do that. Now, I don't know why you'd want to start all 250 cars at the same time, but maybe I have a function that checks the mileage since the last oil change and decides if that car needs to be an oil change. Or maybe I have a function that goes through the cars, and if I have like a customer that says, hey, I need a used car, it's got to have 4 wheels, and I only have $500 to spend. I could go through those. I could use something like that to search that list of cars and return only the ones that match those criteria. So there's a bunch of things you can do. Putting them in a list like this gives you a lot of power, but